please check out my earlier videos on text wrap. Go to another image, it can be anything. Select it or select part of it using the select menu and all. Go to edit and then copy. Then go back to the original document and select the shape, edit and paste inside. That's the key thing. And then you can move that background layer there, move it around. You can select it. You can also apply effects. You can resize it, rotate it, maybe change the transparency. Also, you can set the triangle and you can hold down the Alt Option key and duplicate that design. So now you've got two triangles, and now it doesn't have to be a triangle. It can be any shape. You can also convert it to curves and modify the nodes. So you've got multiple objects now, and you can rotate them, transform them, all independent. Again, hold down the Alt Option key again, and you'll see the text will wrap around it. Key thing is you need Publisher to add the text wrap. Now the image doesn't wrap. Also, you can select any of the triangles or shapes and click Effects at the bottom of the layers, and then maybe add an outer shadow to that design. You'll notice the shadow doesn't change the wrap. You can select other ones and you can expand in the layers panel. So you can select the background layer. You could apply effects. So go up to the filters menu, apply that, or simply just shift the image so they don't look all the same. Can expand another one. You can select that layer again, move that around or rotate it. Or select the triangle and then duplicate that again by holding down the Alt Option key, or change the transparency or the opacity, maybe make it 50%. Also, you can change the blending modes. So maybe go for difference or multiply. Some will have more effect than others. Just position it over the other shapes, and again the text will still wrap. Position it there and then change the blending mode. Go for linear light, overlay, and you can see the effect. Select another shape and you can distort that. Just drag that down, resize it, hold down the Alt Option key, and again the text will wrap. You can also select the shape, expand, and you can remove. Just go down to the delete and delete it, or maybe change the image. Please check out my next video on text wrap.